each other. Ito po ang takbo ng laro natin. First 2 sets going the Army's way. Next 2 sets going Smart Maynila. Then we're in the fifth and final deciding set. Long.
That's going to be long for Nene Bautista. Smart Maynila.
Eliza. Gusto ni Ging yan.
Hindi pwede pati kay Ging na ganun-ganun lang.
Ito, subukan na ito ng laman loob. Ano na ito? Subukan. Ruby.
Ganda
Panatik,
naman.
huli si Maru.
Huli lang. Nandun yung depensa. Nasa harap yung depensa. That's extra effort for Ging Balse. Tumalo na siya dun sa kabila. Tinalo na niya pa uli for that Banatikla hit.
9-all.
Ang ganda naman ng pagkakaset ni Tina Salak. But Soltones, better reception.
What a game.
What a game talaga.
What a game. And I think
Sarap i-cover.
I think should be the best game ever of the conference so far. 11-9. 4 touches by Smart Maynila. Suddenly, Roger Gurayev wants Guliman. I think he lacks.
For defense, yes.
I think he needs somebody in front. Medyo nautakan na sila ng big front line sa harap. 11-9. Nene Bautista. Easy serve. Valdez.
Yun. Iniiwas kasi nila doon sa blockers. Malalaki yung blockers sa harap eh. So, it's a better play for Smart Maynila.
Here's Ruby De Leon serving at 10-11. Umalon. Dakis huli. Guliman is there for height purposes. Hinulugan to the back row. It's alive. Soltones. Too close to the net and Salak is there. This is what your point about from a national team perspective. You need a tall setter.
Yes.
Goes to the net. Soltones punches it way out. Tina Salak at the forefront of that. Tinaas. De Leon. Soltones. Cargado.
Bawi kagad. Soltones getting that point after that timeout.
Boy, this is a nail-biter. Guliman. May have been dispatched at the right time. Salak adjusts. Salak goes up.
And
Gonzaga, smart move.
All game long, she was hitting it hard. And at a crucial point, uses the blockers, swiping it off the blocker. Getting the point.
Balasa, Jem Ferrer is in. They're gonna do a play that they're probably familiar with. They'll go to the scene.
Kasi nga mas parang connected itong si Kisini at si Jem.
But they go to Soltones instead. It's into the net. 14-12. It is already match point, but Smart trying to breathe some new life into their game here in the stretch. Banatikla. Torres has played steady.
Oh, but Gonzaga! Wide on that last play. Soltones and Valdez, both known as open hitters.
Yeah.
Diba?
And they also took a chance with Guliman actually kanina.
Ito si Valdez ang magiging utility.
It's in the air. We'll see how this ends or continues. And why not? Gonzaga!
My goodness, Gonzaga just amazing in this game.
And what a game, and both sides deserve to congratulate each other because Smart did not give up.
Partner, hindi naman ako naglaro pero nakakapagod.
Ako rin.
Maganda, masayang nakakapagod ng game na to.
Definitely. And despite the rain that we will attack in a short while, shake and play, we will meet our best player. Smart just falling short, but Army not to be denied. They march on. What a game. And are you still breathing, partner?
Huh? What?
Hindi nga tayo naglaro, but what a game.
Why really?
Breaks na lang, no?
Yes, breaks and yung in the end, in-expect natin yun, mamamain ng Army.
And the shining star of the Philippine Army is the best player of the game, and she's with our friend, PJ.
Okay, so ang player of the game natin, the Bionic Ilongga, Jovelyn Gonzaga. So Jovelyn, alam natin malaki yung blocker mo kanina, malakas na blocker si Kisini most of the time. Paano mo siya nalulusutan kanina?
Siguro malaki lang talaga yung tiwala ko sa setter ko at sa sarili ko. Kaya hindi dapat ako mag-alangan kasi alam kong kaya ko.
Okay, so that has been our player of the game. Dahil ikaw ang player of the game natin, ito ang Shakey's Pizza sa'yo. Again, Jovelyn Gonzaga, the Bionic Ilongga. Back to you, 7 Mosey.
Well done, AJ, and that is the exact...
Bionic Ilongga, yeah!
Oh, yun, binagsagan. And Mosey, take us through the team standings
Well,
now.
ang laki ng leap, ano? Philippine Army now solo second with 5-1. Although Smart Maynilad still there going into our quarterfinals. And just a fun game, Seb.
And it will get better. In behalf of AJ and my partner, my tag team partner, Mosey Ravena, Seb Sarmento sa inyo, the Shakey's B-League. Liga niyo po ito. Patuloy niyong subaybayan.
Davila goes across. Nice setup para dito kay Molina. Immediately, Remy Palma attacks. Remy Palma, slam dunk. Sangwang na naman. Ayan na naman. Troll call ginagawa natin dito. Kasugod, yes. Concepcion, Marciano na naman.
Cannot leave that girl with a single block.
Oo. Giselle C. pushes everybody aside. Bernadette Mons. Will it be the students from FEU or will it be the Lady Patrollers from PNP?